Good afternoon. This is Nolan here. We're going to talk a little bit about grinding ear corn with a Claas today. And what we got in back of me here is a 497 series Claas. Last year we had some 497s and some 498 series Claas machines struggle taking in some ear corn. So what we did this winter is we're going to design a new bottom for the upper rear feed roll. I got to pick on that upper rear feed roll because in the 497 and the 498 machines, a lot of these are 2-3 years old, and their feed rolls are getting a little wore. On the side of that, their feed rolls are also being controlled by a hydraulic cylinder. So what we're going to do today and show you today is we're going to lift that upper rear feed roll so it doesn't come down near as far after you exit your rows and have to open it back up again when you grind ear corn. Machines do a very good job taking in silage, taking in pickup conditions like hay and rye. But when you throw in just an ear corn at it, ear corn's a hard thing to grab. And when you do try and grab it, and if it's really pinched in the back area here, it likes to shell. And it doesn't like to feed that ear corn inside into the cutter drum. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise it about a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch with a new bracket that we designed. And what I like to do first is I like to just take a forklift and open the feed rolls up so that they're kind of out of my way. Okay? So what we're going to do, you can see our cylinder is already extended. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the bottom of the cylinder on the 497s and the 498s. Now, the 494 does not have the cylinders. We didn't have any problems feeding in a 494. However, I would recommend putting this in your 494 series chopper, because this bracket's all the same from 494 all the way to 498. So, got a 497 back here. We're going to change out and give this cylinder a new bottom. This is a very simple bracket. Okay, all I've done so far is give the cylinder a new bottom, which is higher than it was. Okay, so we're going to rest it on top of the bracket that Claas has, and we're just going to tighten those 2 bolts up. Okay, then we're going to remove this bracket. Okay, and if you do push the pulley out of the way, you can get your socket in there to remove the nuts on the back side. Okay, so remove the nuts on the back side, which I've already Okay, we're going to replace this bracket with a new Koima bracket and put this in your toolbox for when you do silage or rye or hay again. Okay, and when I remove the forklift, you'll see that it's just going to rest on the new bottom area on the rubber where it was. And that means the throat of this machine is raised up so it can feed ear corn much better. Thank you for your time.